That's your fault. Y'all, don't sit down.
Yeah,
Liz, will you give some? So, today, the RX Pit, we're going to specifically be cooking. It's important to know that everyone already knows that the fuel you put in your body is very important to what happens to you, right? But it's understandably, you have to understand that there's a lot more at play besides this. This is fun to cook. We don't expect anyone else to cook from home, that kind of thing. But we do understand why we choose certain elements. As you'll hear throughout this video, why I don't have cassava flour, but they do, right? And it's still our diet, specific diets. We all do different things, and you don't have to cook from home. You can also just order or even go out as long as you know what you're doing. And that's really the whole point of this kind of stuff. We just understand a little bit more what you're doing, the choices that you make. Micah here will be assisting us today, and by assisting us, I'm also an assistant. Micah's gonna be an assistant, and the king today is going to be Liz / Lizzie / finger gun queen.
Yep.
So yeah, that's what we're getting into today, and as you can tell, we're already done. I just realized as we're looking down, and that's in the frame, right? Okay, cool. So we shot this after we put the food. Let's just not shy away from this.
What we did today.
Yes, what we did, past tense.
Yeah.
You're about to see coming in now.
Hi, Danny. Nice to see you. Welcome to our kitchen.
I've arrived.
You have, and I have a job for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's up?
So I'm gonna have you start on our salad.
Okay.
Right? So basically what we're doing with this one is we have kale, we have lemons, we have avocado. Wash your hands, important, no germs. So Danny is making a kale salad.
That's really loud.
Yeah.
Kale salad.
Yeah, kale salad. Yeah, so kale, lemon, avocado. Really easy. You get to rub it in with your fingers.
I just had a brain fart. I was like, what's a lemon?
What is a lemon? But yeah, no, it's super simple. Then you have kale, super high in vitamin K, really important. Fiber, all the good things. Green vegetables.
This is 70% of my diet.
Yeah, kale.
Literally, I have 4 bags of these right now in my fridge. Massaging salad.
Massaging salad.
Consider it
Danny's job. Micah's job. We're making turkey. So I already got the pan back here. We do need to get it warmed up, but basically just turkey, salt, taco seasoning, and a pan. We got the turkey. That's a little bit more of a leaner meat, right? We have the 93.7, 93% lean, 7% fat.
Oh, we're laughing at something else. Don't worry.
Chuckling over there. Mike is making
Open it 4
turkey, and
times.
we have ridiculous people over here trying to figure out a trash can. So, anyway, have fun, my dear. Okay. Turkey. Yes. So, I'm working on the cilantro-lime slaw, and basically we're using red cabbage, some shredded green cabbage. What else am I putting? Oh, the sliced carrots. Do you have a trash can again?
Me and the trash can are going to go to work.
Did you add salt?
I wasn't asked to.
You were, in fact. I will add. So this one is the kale avocado salad. Okay, kale, avocado, lemon, red onion, salt. Really simple. We have a mango jicama salsa here, and that one's just cilantro, mango, jicama, white onions, and lime juice. And then the last one is our slaw. So it's a cilantro-lime slaw. Red cabbage, carrots, green cabbage, cilantro, and lime juice. All just very simple. You can throw it together. And then we have our ground turkey, and we're going to assemble our tacos.
you plated it. And
Oh,
like,
okay, let's do that.
Let's do this, and then you have to plate it while I'm
Okay.
doing it.
Well, see if I can do this.
Or you can just walk over to the camera, I guess.
But I want to see. I want to test my skills.
Okay.
All right, let's see if I have diagonal slant taco making skills. I have to go this way so that doesn't. Okay.
Excellent.
Fun.
How many grams of protein is that? Right? Or is that gonna play?
Yeah. 14.
If you can guess how many grams that is rather than play, you win a free prize. My respect, because I don't believe you if you get it right.
No, I'd say what? That's about like 2 ounces. So I mean, like I had to learn to eyeball that stuff when I was bodybuilding. So.
You and Grace have the best chance of actually doing that.
Yeah.
I have no idea. I've never. I haven't done macronutrients.
Danny. I have to share spoons.
I mean, I'm sorry, I've never done macronutrient restriction.
You just know what you were eating.
Or what I was aiming for, like, oh, I need this much fat, and everything else is as small as possible. You know, like, I don't need the exact number for protein.
Okay. Taco.
Boom.
Boom. It's so pretty.
Does the salad go next to it?
Yes. I'll get us.
That's salad for this taco.
Yeah, that's the whole salad for just that one taco. Yeah, got it.
Alright. Salad goes next. Ready?
Yes.
We'll get that flavor, please.
You don't know is Liz is actually a James Beard Award winner.
I am. Yep.
Look how beautiful it is.
It is.
That's how it's done.
Race my Michelin.
Yeah, so this has been a little bit of experiment of actually learning how to incorporate nutrition into the overall framework that we actually develop here at ArcSpit. If you want to see our other content, when I reference inflammation, diet, nutrition, all the sciencey stuff that we kind of get into, we have the tenets of ArcSpit on the website. Sign up for the email list because we're going to release the entire masterclass all put together as a package. Or just watch the shit for free here on YouTube. I actually don't care. Have fun, enjoy it, consume it. It's just most people don't like those 30-minute formats to understand the science of what's going on inside their body. So that's usually put together and packaged in the masterclass. But on YouTube, you'll get the really saturated version of it. All right, and this is a portion of that. So go ahead and follow along. That's it. Oh, bye. Get the fuck out of here.